What's up, people? Handyman Mark here, bringing you another video. Doing some roof repair. If you could see this roof had some bad leaks. Here's the original shingles. This is one of those modular home double wides. The shingles are held on with staples. If you can see that staple there. And you can see this house is old. Shingles are done. This roof was leaking everywhere. I made these repairs years ago, but we developed more leaks. That's why we have the tarps. So what we've been doing is collecting shingles. Lots of shingles from many different sources. And we're doing this roof for free, pretty much. If you had to finance this roof, I believe it would cost about $18,000 financed. If you shopped around and just got a good deal or paying cash, you could probably get this roof done for about $12,000. We're doing this roof for under $1,000. So we could just scour the marketplace, looking for cheap shingles, free shingles, and this is where we're at. All right, in the reload. So your nails come in a box. Take the coil out. You open this door. Oh, I don't even need a reload for some reason. My gun jammed. They're just sitting like that. Float that to there. You gotta make sure this coil is going in the right direction or it's gonna jam up on you. I think we're there. There we go. Back to work. These nails, when they break off, the two little barbs stay behind. Those two little pieces of wire, they'll cut right there. These barbs actually hold it into the roof, so these nails don't come back out. What happens over time, wood expands and contracts, it'll actually push nails straight back up, and it'll poke right through your shingles and you'll have a leak. If you're wondering where to put the shingles, if you could see, there's a detail right here. That's where the shingle goes. Then you butt it up to the one next to it. And then you fire away. And if you're wondering where the nails go, they go right in that glue strip. And I'll show you here. If you look underneath, there's actually 2 layers of shingle. And you want to make sure the nail is going through both of them. Can you see that? So it's critical that you get the nail right in that glue strip. That way you're nailing down the bottom layer and the top layer. Alright, that's the main layout of the roof. Made it up over the ridge. I might have to put one more strip. I know it's a waste of shingles, but the ridge cap only goes so far. You see, and then this would be exposed. So I have to put another row of shingles, then the ridge cap will go on. But all right, let's turn our attention to the valley. Here's the valley. And we're gonna glue down this first shingle. Let me show you how that's done. All right, first thing I did was line up my shingles where I want the valley to be. And I hope this is showing up on camera. But that's gonna be my valley. So what we do next, I just put you guys down, is we flip these shingles directly over where they're at. We get our glue. And we know not to glue beyond that point. And this glue is just to stop the wind from blowing up, getting underneath that edge of shingles. There's our glue. And then we'll just take our shingle, flip it into place. Make sure she's bedded down in that glue. Then we just nail it off. We got our valleys laid out, and then I'll show you what's next to do these dormers. Take our shingle, line up the shingle below, and then line up this corner with your valley. There you go. Okay, I'm at the end. You can see there's a little shingle right here. So what I do, flip over my shingle, place it where it's supposed to be. Then I take my hook knife and I just do my best to cut a straight line. And there you go. There's metal under the roof here, so I'm trying to get these nails into that metal drip edge, which is right here. And with the little barbs that are left on these nails, that holds in real good. All right, let's get another course going. That's our shingles, our main shingles done. You can see all the multiple colors, but that's all right. We're trying to do it for free because obviously we don't have the money to buy all new. But you can do this, you know, you just shop around Craigslist and Marketplace and you find all these used shingles. You're gonna need plenty of glue. The first thing that goes bad on shingles when they're sitting is the glue strip. This glue strip gets all dusty and then it won't adhere. This one's still good because these are very new. And we're getting ready to put the ridge cap on. And let me show you how that's done. If you get this style ridge cap, all I do is fold them. These, they already have a dotted line. And then when you unfold them, they pretty much fall apart on you. There goes your ridge pieces. So I like to make a nice quick stack of these and go and install them. Bring our stack over. These just go on right to the edge, following some sort of straight line. The nail goes just behind the glue strip. And then when you put your next shingle on, you just cover the glue strip. Not by much. And again, I'm using this keyway as my straight line. See? Then we'll have a reasonably straight ridge. And it's just 2 nails per shingle. Some people like to put extras because the wind can blow these over. I've seen it happen a few times. I have a glue strip on this side, but none on this side, so I'm gonna put a couple dabs of glue just to help hold it. All right, here's our last shingle on the ridge. You can tell it's not gonna wanna lay very flat. Then the main roof shingles can now continue over. There's gonna be one more course that's gonna continue over top of that too. There you go. All the rain is all gonna run downhill. And there's our very colorful, pretty much free roof. Like I said, we probably saved about minimum $15,000 by doing it this way. So that's the whole nature of my channel. I'm trying to get the maximum comfort for the minimum effort, and by effort I mean expense or work or, you know, conservative. There's plenty for everybody. Take only what you need, leave the rest for someone else, and enjoy. This is a pretty ugly roof, but it's gonna do the job. This will last another 15 years at least. I feel sorry for the next guy because it's not gonna be me. But all of this will have to be torn off at that point, including the old shingles that were just burying underneath. And I have some serious health problems. So this is actually day 3, just doing this one section, because I just can't do this work anymore. I have bad shoulders, bad back, bad hip, and I think I just wore myself out from all this hard work. But looks good, a little bit at a time. Piecework, you know, how do you eat elephant? One forkful at a time. All right, let me wrap this thing up, and I'll do my outro. See you then. Kind of like it. The Technicolor roof. It's all brand new. Might look funny, but it's gonna shed water for many years to come. You can see the roofs are kind of shabby in this neighborhood. This guy just replaced his with it's called a TPO roof, and that's the roof I would recommend. Gonna have to clean up this mess. I just want to show you why we're not concerned with the color of the roof. If your roof has a steep pitch, this might be a problem. But as you can see, this roof, you cannot even see. You catch a tiny glimpse of it driving down the road, and you can't even tell. It just disappears. So that's why we're not concerned with the color of the roof. No one can see it. It's a fairly large roof. This building is 40 feet long. So